There we go, Christopher. Good job, man. Oh! Jumped out.
I think he does all right. After that, we probably get.
If you can say they all can just do what they want, whatever
Fish on! Christopher, cast a little bit.
it's right or wrong, they don't need to tell you anything. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, baby.
Stud.
Grab him so I can grab Christopher's real quick.
Yeah, I got him.
Now that's a stud.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that
Good
one,
3.5
Christopher.
pounder.
Yeah, he is.
It's right or wrong, they don't need to tell you anything. Welcome to